Hello everyone, I am Likita and I am contesting for General Secretary Cultural Affairs. As an Institute Classical and Folk Arts Secretary, I have got the opportunity to work closely with the cultural community on campus. Over the past few years, I have been heavily involved in culturals during my freshman year and served as a cultural convener in my sophomore year. I am particularly proud of my involvement in organizing the numerous cultural events during this time. With my experience as both a convener and an institute secretary, I've gained the first-hand experience of how the council operates at a ground level, which will enable me to make better informed decisions.
Go ahead with your motivation.
Yeah, so having been closely involved in culturals as a convener and a secretary, I have had the opportunity to acquire valuable experience and life lessons which had a profound impact on my student life. This experience made me aware of how cultural activities have a transformative power on impacting a student's life. At IITB, culturals have a significant impact on everyone's institute life, providing a platform to serve for stress relief and skill development and career pursuit, PR building, amongst others. So in the recent years, the culturals has undergone several changes, and while we made the attempts in our tenure to revive the past culture, we still have a long distance to go to achieve our ideal vision. As the General Secretary and a representative of culturals, I am committed to leading culturals towards our goal. Okay, so the Cult Weekend Getaway, host a Cult Weekend Getaway in SAC Backlawns, the initiative which I'm planning to do post midsems of the first semester. So in that, the ambience and the setup would be done by the vendors in the SAC Backlawns, and it is a very low effort event from the council side, plus which will help students have fun after their exams, just after post end semester.
So, considering it's you use vendors for setting up these stalls, or how do you plan on doing this in suburbs, given SSOCs and others?
So the Cult Weekend Getaway is going to be planned post NSEMs for of the first semester in the normal timeline in November. So food industry visits, the initial plan, for starters, the plan is to take few selective students and go for an industry visit at a restaurant and at manufacturing companies near Mumbai. Like we have a few papad manufacturing companies and food planets as such. So yeah, and the travel would be sponsored, and yeah.
Industry-wide cooking that happens on a large scale is very different from what people pursue as a culinary art directors.
Yeah, so as I mentioned, Food Planet and Papad Industries, these are something, the industries which I talked to were set up by women of was started by a group of 7 women. So we will get to know how they can at घर पे कैसे cooking करके we can make use of that things to sell it, to make a career in it with basic cooking. Yeah, so for therapy through art, this is an initiative which was planned with SWC, where we will be catering to a few art forms for starters, be it writing therapy, fine arts therapy, and then dance therapy, music therapy, where there are a few techniques which are made for therapy. For like in dance we have techniques where where they teach us and to how to connect with our emotions through our body movements. So such techniques would be taught in the workshops.
Again, coming to how do you ensure like it will cover issues overall in general in terms of mental health across people from different backgrounds because their needs might be separate. So for that, how many sessions are you planning?
So considering like we never know how a particular person who is suffering from mental health issues, unki exactly kya need hai, we don't exactly know. So these are a few techniques which are generic. We can try with these. Uske baad we also have a few the professional artists who would be taking these workshops will personally connect with them if they have those problems and suggest different art forms if someone has come for dance therapy and if he or she can be benefited from art therapy, so that also will be suggested. There are a few MNCs such as Procter & Gamble and McKinsey who have the CSR funding system in their companies, and they like there was a Pride festival which was conducted in IIT Madras by Procter & Gamble. So, and I've talked to the Sathi people and they have got many companies have contacted them to conduct an event. So yeah, with them.
So given that they already have a approach to us from companies, what is the timeline for the event and what will be your unique contribution or ICC's
So in
body's unique contribution?
Yeah, so in the Pride Fest, first of all, talking about the timeline, it will be conducted in the Pride month, that is June, June first week. And contribution from the Cultural Council would be organizing plays, performances related to gender inclusivity, and then also Sathi's budget also comes under culturals because Sathi has an OC and the permissions go through the General Secretary of Culture.
How do you ensure that this is not just a corporate wash parade or pride month and someone doesn't get affiliated with it?
So इसमें students would be participating, performing, as I said, plays conduct करवाएंगे, क्विज कॉम्पिटिशन्स होंगे, जितनी मेरी लाइक क्विज कॉम्पिटिशन्स होंगे, तो उसमें वी कैन एंश्योर स्टूडेंट पार्टिसिपेशन इन दैट एंड इट वोंट बी जस्ट अ कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट. Yeah, so I have this initiative to conduct jammings in PG hostels because when I talk to PGs, they have told me that there are timeline issues. They don't have time to come till SAC and participate in the events. So they have suggested that if we conduct events there near them, so they would be more enthusiastic to attend them as they'll be going for lunch or dinner or snacks in the mess. From there they can just join in the jamming or workshop from there. Yeah, so the plan for the PAF documentary is to document the upcoming PAFs, and I agree that जो level PAF का पहले होता था, that is not here anymore, but this is something we take up as a challenge, and if we fight for it, we can create a good PAF in this year also, and to show the legacy, to commemorate this PAF where we are starting from an initial stage, that will also be that will inspire the next PAF participants to make that path at a greater scale. So yeah. So first of all, I'm planning to make the conveners by May mid, so that I will have a good workforce to conduct even the Bollywood night which I've mentioned. But talking about the cultural magazine, I've talked to the current publicity norm, and he would be helping, and publicity norm will also be nominated by May end, May start, April end.
You can go ahead with your closing statement.
Yeah, so first of all, I would like to thank Insight and IIT BBC for providing me with the opportunity, and I hope through this video, people see my commitment and understand my vision for culturals, and that they stand with me in achieving my goals. If elected as the General Secretary, I promise to work earnestly for the betterment of culturals to the best of my capabilities, and thank you.